The Biden administration and the public officials of New York City are in deep disagreement over immigration. The New York mayor and governor have asked for increased federal support to handle migrants in the state. Business leaders, including Paramount Global, CBS's parent company, called on the administration to address what they described as a humanitarian crisis. Now, in the first response, administration officials are putting the responsibility back on the city and state. CBS News immigration reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez joins us to talk more. Camilo, remind us of the present situation and what it is that New York officials want.
Good evening, John. Whether you want to call it a crisis or not, and you want to use a different term, it is absolutely true that New York City right now is facing dire and formidable humanitarian and operational challenges when it comes to housing tens of thousands of migrants and asylum seekers who are in need of shelter. The city is currently housing nearly 60,000 migrants across over 200 facilities, including hotels, homeless shelters, and now John F. Kennedy Airport. The city, for over a year now, as you know, John, has been asking the administration, the federal government, for millions of dollars in federal assistance to declare a national emergency on this issue and to implement a strategy that diverts migrants to other places in addition to New York so they can resettle in places away from the city. Most importantly, however, they have been asking the administration to grant migrants in the city and other places legal status so they can apply for work authorization earlier on in the process. Right now, because of a federal law dating back to the 1990s, migrants, most of them at least, have to first formally apply for asylum and then wait an additional 180 days from the day they file that application to be eligible for a work permit. And that is a major issue because the city obviously wants these migrants, John, to be self-sufficient.
Right. And so what is the administration response? What did they address in those complaints or those requests from New York? And then what did they leave out?
Well, Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas directed a team at the Department of Homeland Security, John, to review this issue, and they came back to him with several recommendations. They are urging city officials to improve information gathering on the migrants they have in their custody at these shelters. They're asking city officials to improve the guidance and information that they offer to migrants on how the asylum and work permit application systems work. And they're saying that the city should offer more lawyers and case managers to migrants so they can leave these shelters, leave the shelter system earlier on more quickly. But notably, John, these recommendations and this new statement by the Department of Homeland Security does not address that important call from New York officials and others in other cities for these migrants to receive a temporary legal status like TPS or something known as parole that will allow them to apply for work permits without that 180-day waiting period for asylum cases. And I've been told by current and former U.S. officials that the reason that the administration has been reluctant to take these measures, John, is because they are concerned about encouraging more unlawful crossings along the U.S.-Mexico border, about incentivizing more people to come here because of generous immigration announcements, and because they're worried about Republican-led states suing them over this measure and over these steps.
So you fix the problem in New York and you create a new one at the border. What's the response been from the mayor and other New York officials?
Well, in a statement, the mayor's office said that they are grateful that the federal government is now engaging with them on this issue publicly, at least, but they are saying that this is not enough. They are asking the administration to declare a national emergency on this crisis. They say that action will allow FEMA and other federal agencies to more quickly distribute federal funds to New York. And again, they're calling on the administration, just like Chicago, Denver, and other places, for a expedited process for these people to apply for work permits. And the only way the administration can do that is by, again, granting these migrants legal status. But politically, right now, the administration does not see itself in a place where it can do so.
Camilo Montoya-Galvez, thanks so much, as always.